Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. Now, if you switched over to a professional account and you're not necessarily using it and you would rather turn it off, you rather switch over to a personal account. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's open up Instagram here, and we're going to tap the profile icon at the bottom right. You can see here I have a professional dashboard. If I wanted to turn it off, I just have those three lines at the top right. Now you can see for professionals, here creator tools and controls. This is only visible if you have a professional account. So I can go in there and then you can see towards the bottom there is a switch account type. I can tap on that and it gives me the ability to switch to a personal account. So just tap that and it switched to personal account. That would essentially turn off this professional or business creator account, whatever it may be on your phone, and you can go back and refresh this, and you can see I no longer have that professional designation, and I basically have back to a personal profile. So that's basically how you can turn off professional account on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.